Welcome to Qualla Village, a unique 57-home development within the gates of Conisty Falls, just outside of Brevard, North Carolina. As an owner in Conisty Falls, you have access to over 15 miles of pristine hiking trails, 6 waterfalls, 4 lakes totaling over 230 acres of lake frontage, an 18-hole designer golf course, pickleball, tennis, pool facilities, and multiple top-notch food and beverage options. In addition, the residents of Qualla Village enjoy private lake access with 2 boat docks, community watercraft, and the association provides scheduled maintenance services for decks, driveways, and home exteriors. If you want to spend your time enjoying your life rather than maintaining your home, you need to see the homes in Qualla Village. Make an appointment today.